Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. Today we've got another DIY video on making landscape staples or drip tape staples. It's a cheap, easy way, and let me show you how. The materials for this are electric fence wire, 14 gauge, which is really inexpensive. For under $25 you can buy 1/4 mile of it. Now, I make a simple jig here, piece of wood. I use a nail that I've drove down through. I drill a hole and drive a nail into it, and use something for a shim for putting your roll on, and a couple of washers so it can spin on. I use a staple as a guide so I can kind of semi-straighten the wire when it comes through. And then I just have 2 nails right here. And then I have a certain distance past these nails on the board to help me as a guide for the length of my staple. Okay, you thread your wire through this guide and you just pull it up. Now, I run about a 1/2 inch past the end, and then I just hold it and I bend it around these nails and then pull it up. And then after I pull it up, I just cut it off. And then I'll just do another one and do it and cut it off. Now you can buy these landscape staples at a lot of your garden supply centers that sell greenhouse and stuff like that, or the landscape fabric. But now they're about $12 a hundred, and you can figure I'm using a little bit over 1 foot of wire for each one of these, and I've got way over 1,000 feet of wire, or to be exact, I've got about 1,250 feet of wire, so I can make more than 1,000 of these staples with one of these rolls. And it doesn't take just a few minutes to turn out a bunch of them. But one ideal thing about it is I don't have to buy some of these, and plus you have to pay shipping. Even though they're only $12 for 100, I have to pay shipping to get them here, and that's inconvenient, especially if I run out and I've got to have more. So as I get low and I want to run some new lines, as you can see, I'll just make me up a bunch when I need them. And I also use this same wire for other jobs, and a lot of times once I'm finished with it, maybe it's a temporary thing, I'll just cut up. I got a few little pieces here left of it, but I'll just cut it up into staples like this, or my little staples that I use when I'm propagating my strawberries, so that I have more of them. But it's, like I say, it's an easy process. It doesn't take a big expense to make a jig. It's relatively simple. A couple feet of wood, a staple, and a few nails, and something as a bushing such as this PEX tubing, and you're ready to go. I hope this little DIY project gives you an idea or helps you out. Maybe you're in a situation to where you need some of these, and you're the same way as I am. You're kind of frugal, so you find ways that you can do something and get by a lot cheaper. If you like this video, well, subscribe so you'll get notified, and hit that bell button, so when I put out new videos, you'll be able to be notified. If you like it, well, hit that thumbs up, or even if you just halfway like it, hit that thumbs up. That helps my channel, and share this video. That really helps it a lot. Happy gardening.